Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious omelet, Kabita's kitchen style. First, let's gather our essentials. You will need 2 or 3 fresh eggs, finely chopped vegetables like onions and bell peppers, and your favorite spices. Also, have a non-stick pan and a spatula ready. Making sure all your ingredients are at room temperature helps achieve a perfectly cooked omelet every time. Now let's perfect our egg mixture. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl and whisk them vigorously for about 1 minute until they are light and frothy. Next, add a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of milk for extra creaminess. Finally, gently fold in your finely chopped vegetables and any fresh herbs you like. It is time to cook our omelet. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, pour the egg mixture in, spreading it evenly to cover the bottom. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You will see the edges begin to set and the center becoming almost firm, indicating it is nearly ready to fold. The final step is folding and serving your beautiful omelet. Using a flexible spatula, gently fold the omelet in half. Let it cook for an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute, allowing it to achieve a lovely golden brown finish. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked, fluffy omelet onto a plate. Serve it immediately with your favorite toppings for a delightful and quick meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.